Bismillah, record na. Displa gracia. Hatlo sidan godan. Si hook belum ya. Let me try. Hold him. It worked. There. Now when I sanap kontak. Sanap na. Ulit bating may plakat. Kon lo ya to sa satan. Oh. Hey besties, welcome or welcome back to our channel, besties. Thank you, Sapos si subscriber. Nesta video number miso yung pla. Great. Well, back side loose. It's one of those bad hair days. I'm really getting annoyed. Okay, so miso yung pla make it sila flower. Mi håller med långa na ipla looking good. Okay, so miso yung pla how make it sila flower. No, the only something where Emma can problem lo you ang sa museum fiber fill lo put him inside lo sila flowerpot ya sa ocean ya. So suppose you know that what we can suggest him lo you ang sa you see mattress or yeah mattress or lo mattress or pillow, but make sure you wash him. No, no, sure all the dirty one. No, I'm saying I'm selling them what I'm saying. No, wash him. Suppose you need to put him. Well, what do we call it? Or something, or put it clothes in freshener. No, that's clothes. Yeah. Oh my god, I am not used to one of those. I'm trying to think of the brand. Fabuloso, fabulous. No. Yeah, right? I know it's like fabuloso, fabuloso, fabulous. No. One name is something. That is the brand, right? Yeah. We listen to the name, how brand also pronounce him, like listen to the name. Anyways, you know what I mean. It's like something sa clothes na sa small nice. Yeah. If it means you wash him sa mattress na put him consent. Well, dry him na, erin can on top of them just so it can smell nice. Do it. So that's the only thing or me thinking was saying. Suppose you know what, then it's gonna be a problem because me what I used is me is it something, yeah. Film also potential of dolls there. So suppose you know what, then that's the next thing me suggesting me simple. You know that extra la house blue call second hand buying kusen about that. Buying come but you open simin set me washing me talk washing good. 3 round, 4, 5 round you need washing do that. Washing good finish now okay put this something that's not nice eh. Contact can there. No. I can issue inside plant. So that's one thing that might be a little bit of a problem. Suppose me okay, you know got this lah. Okay. But otherwise where you need green barok, leaf, flower below you, color blank. I think maybe you see either pink or red, and I am gonna decide on that. Then but you need him 2 black brown, different shade. semi one plug brown and another plug brown. So 2 plug brown by need it. And then suppose you need it white, you make him handle blue, or you can use black or any color. But me use white, so me use white can. But all main important one, I'm talking one plug green, blue leaf, red or pink or yellow, orange or any color flower, and then 2 plug brown. Na okay, cushion or mattress. Because you know a fiber field. Suppose you know fiber field, that's even better. You can use that, but minus sabihin siya sa mo what, but suppose you know what, I'm talking use mattress or pillow or cushion. Cutting open, washing, make sure washing on masarap you need to washing good faster before you use him because I'm buti-buti na smell. So why I'm talking because by you make him na you can put in house glue or you lasagna. You could sell it for probably like I wanna say 30 kina. Heck, you sell it for 50 kina too, you can sell it for 50 kina. So yeah, I'm show you how to make this. So simul rope mi toki probleme kisim na yeah, by me start. Use simul normal rope line sa miki bilulem. So in case you think no, use some like different one kind of some cotton expensive and all that. Which something you do ang mark one side. So all normal rope on meri sa miki bilulem or right you can use it. So I'm okay, 30 kina or 50 kina something you can make them so. It should be fun to do it. Let's start. Okay, give me start. Oh, by the way, if you saw how we make him, you saw how we make it an earring, I will link that up. So you think we'll make him wearing independence, you can go try it out. Okay, you missed that. Okay, so by me start, now I'm talking suppose you know got fiber fill, and by using mattress from by using pillow or cushion you buy the second hand. Rouse him inside there. Make sure you wash him good na by using. So color is part na, but I'm sure how to use him. But let's talk about the things by you need him. All rope green rope, blue leaf, and then rope color you like using the flower, yellow or pink. Me by using orange, so it's like tutorial. And then by you need him na rope 2+ shade of brown. So different shade. One pa dark, one pa light. Now the hook me using 3.5 balo making flower. Now 5.25 and Bobby making leaf. So you can use the same hook as I'm using, or you using different hook, but make sure a hook blow leaf and bigger size than the flower because we want the leaf to be bigger. So hook size you like using the leaf making plenty. So you apply one flower pasta, okay. So and one plum you making finish here. Just to show you because even though you make him using little hook flower and by big little hook, so suppose you use the same hook to make him but go extra big. So that's why we talk using triple size hook to make him leaf blue and a little size flower. Now by you need him white too to make him handle blue. Hang up in plant blue after you finish it, and then needle blue some of him all and tails after you finish him all flower blue. Okay, so by me start. Now by me show you how to make him all leaf here, and then how to make it flower. Now you wait him this to make him how much you need him. So let me grab my hook. Me clear him or something so we can start. Okay. Okay, let's start with leaf. So I'll make you leaf, yeah. But you make him a leaf, hang him up, vine come on top, and then head him bad lo flawa ya gonchad ya which by make flawa gonchad lam. So you start want the leaf past them. Lo make leaf by start want the one magic ring. So I'm how I make magic ring. Round your finger. Then pull him loop ya come outside. Put the hook bloom it through. Grab him rope. Pull him come on top. Make it chain. Okay, so first you put chain in tupla, make a tupla chain past them. That's not counting this one. This one not. But not counting this one because I'm part lo magic ring, yeah. So you make him 1, 2. Now inside the magic ring, yeah, but you start him one time. 4 double crochet pass. So you make a double crochet, rounding hook below rope, put him through the magic ring. Rounding rope can pull him come on top. But you got triple loop until the hook, yeah. Then you round your rope, pull him through the tupla past them. But you remain one the tupla stop. But you round your rope can and pull him through the tupla. So hem, how will make a double crochet. Then first blow one, finish now. This will change them, it's okay, but you don't count him. Then by you making triple more double crochet. So 1 plus that finish, total me talk 4, yeah. So make a second one, second double crochet, then third, and then fourth. Okay, 4 plus finish now. Next time by you making triple treble crochet. Now I make a treble crochet by running hook below rope 2 plus time. So 1, 2. Then put the hook through the magic ring, pull him come on top. But you should get 4 plus loop under the hook. You pull your rope through the first 2 plus past them. But you remain one 3 step, triple loop, then you round him rope the hook and pull him through the next 2 plus. Then by you got last 2 plus loop the hook, you round him rope the hook, now pull him through the final 2 plus. So I'm how by you making treble crochet. Now me top 3 plus, so by you making 2 plus more treble. So round him hook the rope 2 plus time. And 1 plus treble. Then round him hook and 2 plus time. And second one, so total and 3 plus treble now. Then by you repeat him when something you make it here, yeah. 4 plus double crochet. So 1 plus double crochet. 2. Now 4. Okay, so after the 4th one now you think you start one double chain here, so by making 2 plus chain past them. 1, 2, and then slip stitch con the magic ring. So the slip stitch you put the hook through, round him, pull him come on top, and then pull him through the loop the hook, yeah. Now you can pull the end tail of the magic ring and close him this last magic ring. Okay, and 1 leaf come up now. Then by you chain him, let's say by you chain him 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now from the chain you make me a 14 plier. You counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the hook you counting backwards. First chain, second chain, third, and then fourth there. But you put the hook through the hem and make 1 plus slip stitch. Pull your rope come inside. And then pull in through. So me rouse him can about me say you play. So 1, 2, 3, and 4th one. So you put the hook on side. Now this is space here. Time you slip stitch na namin lang by making next slip big on set. So suppose you need to lo hold him space here, put the finger through the hem, hold him what's the start now. You slip stitch. So by you sabi one him up, lo make him all stitches big on set. Okay, so after you slip stitch now, chain in 2. Now we're making a leaf again. starting wantem 4 ply double crochet, surrounding hook lorop, putting through the ring or gap you create him, you slip stitch con the fourth chain here, then make a double crochet blue, and first one, then go back and make another 3 ply because you need 4 ply double crochet. So second one, third, and a fourth. So fourth. Okay, so 4 ply double crochet after the chain 2 blue now by repeating 3 ply treble crochet. So rounding hook blue up 2 ply time, sorry. Then putting through the space here, pulling come on top, pulling through 2 ply, pulling through the next 2 ply, and pulling through the final 2 ply. First ply treble, so 2 ply more. And second, third. Now repeating 4 ply double crochet again. So one, suppose you feeling go crowded inside, pushing all stitches will go aside. Now make it room. Okay, and fourth now, chain 2. Now slip stitch go back in the same plus space. Chaining 1. Now you turn him backside the leaf blue here. You look at the chain, you make him come on top, and you start him. It's the leaf here. When you put the hook blue, you go underneath there. Put the hook blue, you go underneath them, and make it 1 plus single crochet. So grab your rope, pull him come on top. But you got 2 plus loop on the hook now. You make a single crochet blue here. Round your rope the hook, pull him through the 2 plus. Then you continue. Making 14 plus chain can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now this like gap, now me leaf here, no cut you make him go na. And blame now you pull him also chain na, lift up underneath them, yeah. You pull him and close him. So no cut you make him a strap like gap straight there. And boss one him. So you make us them. So you start making him no and be silhouette slap out, make him that's all go. You complete him now and last or something, but you make him and pull him all vines be here and create him. Gap here go lick. Make him sorry, but make him all space go lick. Okay, so in 14. Suppose you like him got same spaces na melol. And you continue making 14 na come on top. But if you like him no different lick. Let's say you like him just next leaf plus 2 la 1 pla leaf. So instead of go 14 ogata, you can rouse him. Come down can. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thinking about you need him 4 pla chain, lo create him space lo make a leaf. So at least 4 pla iba yun na counting was part plus la space na melol leaf ya. So make it 8 and minimum and bagat 4 pla chain chol na melol just leaf na next one because narapla 8 pla narapla 4 pla and you still make a leaf ya. So you make a 1 pla leaf can 1, 2, 3, 4 slip stitch one shot. Chaining 2 pla. Sorry, I need to pull the sampler up, come outside because Okay, so one buat treble finish pamimilikim. One buat treble finish pamimikin harap na tuplakan. Then you continue making chains beliau. You'll making harap na leaf can you make him. Me making triple leaf finish, so now I'm shape how to make him flower concept now. So let's say me counting harap na 14. Or again me talk. You don't need to count 14 all the time. You can count him less than 14 or more than 14, but thinking 4 chain and make him leaf. Now I'm 4 chain toksave as a 4 chain too, but you needing to make it flower. Okay, so you count the chain come on top and then counting 4 chain back from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slip stitch concept, one kind of similar make you leaf here. But we need 1 plus space to make him flower too, so make him slip stitch, chain him 2. Now by make him double crochet concept lo disla. Okay, so once you create him this space now, inside the space here, you make him 8 double crochet go inside. So around the hook, put him through the ring here, pull him come on top. Again, you got triple loop here, but you round the hook, pull him through the tupla past stem. Then last tupla here, but you round him rock, now pull him through the tupla. So and 1 plan now, first one. You don't count this whole chain here. So that means you need him 7 plan more. So 1 step in is here. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 2 here, me talk. Finish, but you count him. Also part, there is like 8 here. Then after you make 8, double crochet blue, slip stitch concept chain. Chain 2 you make him here, slip stitch concept second chain. Then by chain him 3, 1, 2, 3. You start here, yeah, by put him sa chain 3, yeah, put him go backwards. So baka come up go inside the base blow. This la ring here, or this la ring you make your stitches here. But you don't come inside the front or something, but you go back and the back side. But you make sure time you go back and the back side, I'm sira na mello. Last with double crochet na this la chain 2 blue yeah. So bak karama this la space na mello tupla. You know big space, but you may just make it extra or chain yellow karama. Okay, so you put them come back in now. From back side here. But you make him slip stitch concept la sampla. Space you make it is logo double crochet blue yeah. So move it chain here color side and put the hook blue through. Make a slip stitch. Take your time, blue this la. Apa ba? Confusing like you know go to some confusing like because chain 2 I'm stuck. All chains blue yeah. So you put him one side, pull him come inside, make a slip stitch. Okay, after the slip stitch, now we're chaining 1. Now you look at this ring way or space you make slow that double crochet, but you close him. So you close him after you chaining 1, you fold him this logo that double crochet, make him go flat to fold him in half so that way you can put the hook below one side and come out the other side. So after the chain 1 now, put the hook through the side, come out left side, now you make a single crochet. So round the hook below up, pull him can come left side, where you go inside them, come on top, now make a single crochet below you. Okay, so I'm say you can 1 plus so you know xilo this level, I'm saying another second time can. Okay, after you make a single crochet now, 1 kind of leaf here, where you go underneath the chain blue, now make 1 plus single crochet 2. So hook go underneath the chain, round your rope, pull him come on top, make a single crochet blue. So this layer, but you put the flower blue inside. And but make a back and so but so you play 1 time can how to make it this layer. So before you move on, go put the flower inside. Alright, so we're making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're making a flower part of hold up the flower, can on top here. So I can 8 change and was 2 plus it on close to 2. Or you can add in plenty more chain come on top so that I'm got big distance number. So I think when we're going to like let's say 16. 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So suppose me like 16 plus change distance here. Long plan number this la flower. The next one. I mean most 16 stuff here, but me adding 4 ply on top. Now you see the 4 ply, let me make the next one. Let me so 16. Then 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back and slip stitch concept. And you will make another flower bud can or flower holder, So slip stitch one side, chain him 2, 1, 2. Then by you make him 8 ply double crochet, go inside the same ply. Or sa space, you create him naturally. So I'm 1, 2, 3. Crochet sampla rock and pass them. Okay, so 3 finish, you need 5 ply more. After the last one, you will slip stitch inside the second chain. Then chain 3. Slip stitch go back in the base below. Flower body, the back side blem. Then chain 1. Now where you make a single crochet from one side, go opposite side, same open the number stop closing was same, turning the side, put the hook through the one side, come out the opposite side, round your rope, pulling through, then make a single crochet below you. Now 1 kind of leaf here, we make a single crochet, go underneath this double chains here, or vine below you, So after this a single crochet, put the hook underneath, grab your rope, pull him come on top, make a single crochet below you. Then continue chain. So let's say we make one more leaf right next to this flower body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we counting back 4 1, 2, 3, 4. So time you make him this one leaf next to M. Make sure that all the time you must got one chain extra when basta na melo flower yan na leaf. O suppose you make a leaf na make another leaf can instead of flower na leaf. One kind something make sure got one extra chain must na melo two So pamisa you pla narapla can lo how lo making flower na leaf next lo each other too so by plexi one something we mean time ito klaro one chain stop na mel. Okay, so 6 chain, me counting back 4 chain from the hook because me making another leaf can. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch inside. Chain him 2, make a leaf bloom again. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, slip stitch. Chain 1, and then click. Space nothing. Make it 1 single crochet and then continue chains on top. So now you got 1 leaf. Stop right next to this flower. Yeah? Okay, so you can cut him rope you here, or you need lo any more leaf na flower on top. Depend lo length lo flower blue or vine blue. Yeah. So for me cutting lo here so we can shape la. So after the leaf here, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and then for me cut him off here. So at least tail cut him now and tail yeah, fully most 7 centimeter or 10 centimeter and tail problem. So or you can use this lo. Pass mo cut the flower blue one time, so cut him at least 7 or 10 centimeter. Okay, so I want the vine and finish now. Now we're going to how to make a flower gun set lah. Now we'll make a flower yeah. By me use him little size of baby. Now starting one time slip knot. Okay. So I'm how to make a slip knot. Make one slip knot finish now. You go like this lah. All double crochet you make him into a circle. With a flower body, you know leaf. So you put the hook blue from inside, come outside, then put him slip knot blue on top, now pull him through. Me talk inside, come outside because you may like him. This la tail blame yeah. Tail rope or stop outside. By no height him. La remember stop outside also. Then you chain him 3, 1, and lo secure him. This la color on top lo flower blue and then 2 extra. Okay, so me rouse him can about me explain him. Me no to keep flower him up put him slip knot there, so me explain him can. So slip knot. Now this la all double crochet you make it second na ba mitok flower bud leaf but flower bud ba make flower gon set ya time you la atat sim this second color you know na puting gon set lo actual stitch this la double crochet stitch you make me no ka ba you puting gon set lo space na melo tupla double crochet so and one plus stop ya na melo ba you atat sim flower color blue flower ya gon set lo this la hap so either this one or next one any of those okay so you will make him can so and double crochet stop here you know concept go loss one for double crochet next double crochet stop na melo hem ya you put this hook blue from inside na come outside and then add that same slip knot blue inside pulling through and then making one chain la secure him is la kala gonta then you chain him 2 1 2 color light 2 yeah okay after you chain him 2 now this like entail it okay the reason why you put the hook from inside come outside because entail you should let him step outside now you don't have walk on top lem na heighten because by me you sim lo end lo flower bloomy so let him step outside okay once you chain him 2 pins now it's the same plus space by walk on set lem now by you make him bubble stitch con set lo it's space so lo make him bubble stitch you round him one fellow hook until a rob blue put in through the space you slip stitch lem na make it chain ya then round him hook the rob pull him come on top and 1 then round him hook until the rob can pull him conceal the space come outside left side pull him can come on top and 2 round him can go inside the space round him pull him come on top and 3 round him rob conceal the same space then round him rob pull him come on top can 4 time after the 4th time now okay by round him hook the rope na pull him through the oga the loop step on top the hook yeah even this all loop where you make it chain lem and to by pull him conceal him like this then by make it one chain the secure slogata and then make it one more chain now by move go to next plus space so lo make it flower you don't have work conceal double crochet stitch actual stitch but you work go inside the space namol sorry namelo all double crochet blue okay so go to next double crochet now make it one kind round hook lo rope go inside space round and pull him come on top and 1 round him can go inside the same space come on top and 2 round him can go inside the same space round him pull him come outside can and 3 round him go inside the same space come outside and 4 after the 4th round now by round him hook blue rope na pull him through the slogata loop stand the hook yeah then chaining 1 lepasin di slogata ya and then chaining 1 again so and by repeating same plus something yeah by make it loga the space na melo double crochet so me so him can next one by you make him 4 pla yarn over time it yarn over I mean you also yarn or rope over the hook so yarn over inside the space come on top and 1 top and 2 3 now 4 after the 4th one now you round the hook the rope pulling through the ogata this the loop the hook yeah then make you 1 pla chain and then second pla chain okay so and now next one now and this la chain 3 you may make a slip stitch go back and inside lo close him this double crochet you think him so make sure you know skip him stitch so that so this la chain 3 stop yeah you push him go aside. Now next all bubble stitch blue aba go space na melo sa chain 3 ya. Na disla stitch next layer. So I think about sa chain 2 you make him. So around him hook blue rock can tingin fop la time by you go around him hook na guncelos la. All space na melo double crochet ya. So and 1 2 3 and 4. Now by repeating this the same something round him ogata double crochet blue la flower body by you repeat the same plus something. So by me saying you blah, by me saying you without counting, so you can counting you yet now follow along. Round him hook or up. Suppose you need to slow him down this path. Go low. YouTube settings here. Now change his speed, go down low. 0.5 and I'm slow him down. Suppose you need low. Looking one is something we make him here. But otherwise one is something we explain him here should be okay, you understand him. One is something we make him. My goodness, me talk na. Minus me make him 4 oh no god. So me rosin can. Now make him. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'm showing last plus space for me now, but we make the same plus something. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then round him, make it 1 plus chain, and then 1 plus extra chain. Okay, after you make your last low one now, by you slip stitch goncello. Top lo bubble stitch, yeah. So this little chain yan, okay, by you goncello top lem. Put the hook blue through. Now make a slip stitch blue. Outside blem look bow same, then inside and look same. Okay, so once you make him ogata bubble stitch blue, na slip stitch goncello top lo. First bubble stitch here. By you chain him 2. So 1, 2, and then goncello same pla. Half you slip stitch here. So top lo is the bubble stitch here. By you make 1 pla double crochet. So around your hook blue up, put him through the same space, pull him coming up. Now make a double crochet blue you. Then by you chain him 3, 1, 2, 3. Then by you go to the double crochet now, so you make him here. Go to back side blame. So this is space here. Put the hook blue through the back side, come out to the front. Then grab your rope blue, now pull him, come back and it's the back side here. Come out. Now by you got 2 loop and hook stop here. And by you make a single crochet. So next now, we going to space na melo tupla bubble ya. So chain 1 you make in the previous round ya. By make one double crochet, going to the space. Then chain in 3, 1, 2, 3. Then one kind you make here ya. Where you go back side, let's double crochet, the space here. Now come out the front. Grab him roughly you, pull him can the front, come out the back side. You got two loop the hook here. One kind of a single crochet. Now we make a single crochet stitch. Then next, going to the top the bubble stitch here, on the double crochet one side. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeating one kind something, you make your little slow previous stitch here. Go the back side the double crochet here, put the hook blade through the space, come out the front blade, yarn over. Pull him come inside the back side can. Same how you go inside them here. You got two loop until the hook stop. Round him rope the hook, pull him through the tupla. Then next, and by you go the space, now make a double crochet here. Make it one kind something, also you make it out as well. Make one double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, front post single crochet, front post single crochet, meaning you will put the back side plus a double crochet here. Come on the front blade, grab him rope, pull him come back in the back side and come on top, then make a single crochet. The next ember top bubble stitch, one double crochet, chain 3, front post single crochet, then repeat double crochet, chain 1 space. So by you repeat is the same something here, but you repeat it brownie. Oops. So you think and now you make him instead double crochet a chain 1 space here. Next line, but you can tell top the bubble stitch. I make it double crochet. Oh, round hook faster, sorry. Let make it double crochet here. So make it double crochet the top the bubble stitch. Then chain 3. Making front post single crochet here. Then next one and chain 1 space here. So now I'm going to the bubble stitch here. Now I'm going to the bubble stitch here. We make him double crochet. My goodness, okay, we're rushing again. So now I'm going to the bubble stitch here. We make one double crochet. Then chain 3. Front post single crochet. Now but you continue around him. You got a bubble stitch but you make it simple something. Okay, so I'm last plus stitch. Me come the last plus stitch now. I will make one double crochet. Chain 3. Making front post single crochet here. Then by slip stitch conceal second chain you starting lamb here. Slip stitch conceal top lamb. So second chain you slip stitch. Then chaining 1. Now time you pull your rope you're gonna cut him. Pull him go 15 centimeter end tail. Now you cut him. Because by me you see this end tail eller sama på flower blir me so. And must long click. So you pull him goes 15 centimeter, cut him. and flower blue balu kose. Sila narap la entail you starting on them, you still step outside the flower. And back side the flower balu kose. Front line balu kose. Now, but you can see this la needle blue, you look threading all entail. You can see this la needle. By you folding flower blue, you folding go half. So half this la long pla entail stop la me. And should stop la narap la end. So you fold them also. Then narap la end there. But you fold him in, and then you just roll him flower blue. So in front blem balu kose. Now side balu kose. Now from this one, after you fold him flower blue in half, and then fold him or roll him, go inside. Half entail blue, just a long entail, 15 centimeter entail you cut him here. But you thread him. So put him through a needle blue. And then by some of the flower blue. So before you some of the flower here, you stop on top of the flower here. But you thread him come down the base blue and past them. So base blue is double crochet you make him here. And by you some of the flower blue from that level also. Now you stop on top here, you thread him come down past them. Now once you stop the tumbler now, you can fold in flower half, then roll him in. One side you roll him come inside. Now half you stop him here. But you make him all sama blue, time you sama him, but you sama him the way all double crochet stop him here. So you got space slowly. But you can sama him flower blue easy. So you stop him the side, put him through the side, come outside the side. One of my double crochet blue start him here. And by easy, so you put him through, pull him. Go to one side, then go to the next space again, put the needle blue through, come outside the next space, pull him, then go to the next space, come outside the next space, pull him. So whichever direction or any way you feel him awesome. And by holding flower blue here together, now make him tight na sira no right. You put the hook blue through na, thread him needle blue through also. Double crochets tumbler lo bottom here, the base blue him here. And basically you make it slow. Sewing blue so. Make sure you go check the tumbler and all right you na. No part of him. So however many times you make him, back and forth. You feel him awesome. Enough now, hold him flower blue, yeah. Or just ugata, you round him and hold him in place. Okay, last plus slip stitching blue or sewing blue go come. Should be closer like this entail, yeah. Narap entail, yeah. So now we start next to him. You come closer him next to him now. You tighten two part together. Make one plus simple knot. One. And then second one just strong him. Then whatever excess rope you got stuff, you just thread him in one cell of flower blue and hide him. So this long patella, but we pull him got another flower and then cut him off later. But we cut him off behind. So right now we put him back inside so you can look him. How him look. Narap entail too, hide him one side of the flower again. Whichever way you'll hide him. may cut them and later, but that's it. How you make flower blue. And one flower vine. Narap la one two step it. But we make him simple something. So second flower la simple vine we make him. First one we make him finish. Now we move on go the next. Narap la vine we talk one same how one flower and a leaf can come up side by side. Just as an option if you want to make that. Suppose sila make him. This lang yung same playa. Leaf, 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 flower, and then flower paminsan up behind. Pinipinisimet and then leaf. But now when say playa and one leaf na flower right at the very beginning. In case you make him sila too. But say how to make it isla. So you kiss him rope you green rope and then big hook can thing him. Always they make him plenty. Leaf na vine and by need him big hook size. Okay, make him this flower right next to the leaf. We starting on the magic ring. Chain him 2. Then make him 8 double crochet or see me make him finish here. And 1. Okay, so 8 double crochet me making finish. Now let's say suppose you think you're making flower blue here. Big lo this flower you making. So this like me making stop and big enough, but make him example solo suppose you like him big more. But you add him extra or double crochet. So 8 make him stop let's say but me add him narap 3 or 4 on top. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'll stop at 11. So 11 double crochet. Now when we slip stitch on second chain. Then before me pull him end tail na close magic ring here. When we chain him 3 slip stitch go back and insert this magic ring per step. So when we slip stitch go back in the magic ring. Chain him 1. And now we can fully end tail na close magic ring. Then make him single crochet from one side or the opposite side. Chain him 5 1, 2, 3, 4, na 5. So 5 na 4 and by me usually make him leave. The thing me talk must always got 1 extra chain stop na melo. Flower and a leaf or 2 leaf you make him side by side. Must got 1 chain stop na melo. So me counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch lo slap. Na by me make him leaf lo slap. Chain him 2. making 4 ply double crochet gunset per stem. 1, 2, now treble crochet, slip stitch, chain 1, and now Displa 1 plus chain you larip step ya. But you go underneath them and make a single crochet blue, yeah. Then continue making more chain gun tap. Add 1 from flower or leaf, like blue. Add him gun tap. So me add him extra 4 plus leaf on top. Now you may make him flower gun set, so you can look him how flower ya sit on next long plus leaf. So zero blue and tail lari long plus click because by using the tight him. Make a slip knot. 1, 2. I'm making bubble stitches for me. 1, then tail we can hide him side behind, but now I want the leaf. Hang him up right next to flower, yeah. Okay, so flower finish. Now I'm simply how to making flower bud look. So last leaf here. Chain him on top. Counting 4 black, come down 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch on side. Chain him 2. Now 8 flat double crochet, yeah. 1. Slip stitch go down the base for him. Chain 1. Make a single crochet across. Then single crochet underneath the chains here. Then continue. Okay, so I'm finish it this behind. Let's make this flower. Okay, let's make a flower bud. Chain 2 now by making double crochet blue conceal chain 1 space. Then chain 3, making the front post. Single crochet here. Then instead where you go to top the bubble stitch here. Where you skip him, go to next chain 1 space here. Make a double crochet blue here. Then make a sampla something. Front post single crochet. Go to next chain 1 space, repeat it. So we'll make him flower bud here, but you skip him all stitches low. Top the bubble stitch, now make him all double crochet na chain 3 blue just around here. But make him all stitches conceal low. Chain 1 space, that's all. Then 1 kind slip stitch go to second plus chain 1, pull in 15 centimeter, na cut it up here. Then we sum up him. And body and balukose. Click. So just look comparing. And this line also let me make him 8 pla double crochet, but you may not go the top the bubble stitch that you may make him. This line antapate, you may just go chain 1 space. And look also. Now this line 8 pla double crochet, but you may go both chain 1 space na top the bubble stitch here. So I'm big pla. So like there. I guess orange and bright stretch so. But you can look at difference. 1 pla click, 1 pla big pla, same number of double crochet loh. Tamblo ya 8 pla, but 1 pla you may go chain 1 spaces that's all. Now this la you may make him chain 1 space na bubble stitch to wantem. Okay, narapla ya. And big pla more because you may make him instead of 8 pla double crochet you add him 3 pla on top na 11 pla double crochet ya you may make him. So I'm look big pla. So I'm just show you the different sizes you can make him. Flower blooming ones you can make him add him more double crochet and make him big pla from the 8 normal size or suppose you like him got the flower bud or look where no or flower no open yet and sa pas na stop and by make him stitches conceal chain 1 space that's all. Bubble no got. Okay, so let me show him now By me finishing plus to now. So I'm last flower body, we make him. Now let's say suppose you like him olive, lo stop antala flower pot blue ya. Anga mapon the flower but stop lo antala top blem ya. And by make him awesome. So I'm last body, I'm showing you plus, so you can repeat him how much time you make him. Lo how much vines name by you kind of some flower leaf lo on top part there. I hope when something we talk now, so you like it. Okay, so we make a leaf for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Me add extra. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch. 2. 4 plus double crochet. Okay, so suppose you like him leaf yellow. Stop until flower pot blue na look as leaf grow on top of hub. Or you make him all flower blue yeah. The vine come on top na you end it one leaf or sen. After a single crochet blue round in this little chains here. You were just chaining one pla, now cutting rope. Just one pla chain that's all. So I'm gonna stop close to the flower pot. And suppose you know like him, sampla you can make him awesome, number look awesome. And then sampla you can just add him. After the last leaf you add him 7 or 10 or 15. How much play you like him, you add him, then you cut him. But look, me talk give him this look awesome. Or leaf grow lo antalo plant blue, flower pot blue. You make it last leaf blue, chaining one plant as well, and cut him. Me talk entail at least 7 or 10 centimeter, and cut him. Okay, so once you make it this finish, same flower blue, but you make a masla. You make 1, 2, 6. You make a 6 flower and 10 flower and 1 flower, and we make him just leaf nothing. Because near him extra leaf conceal plant for me, so we don't need him flower, we just make him leaf nothing. I think for me add him make 1 flower more leaf nothing, or suppose me look at planted too much, and for me use 1 plant as well. But stop blue depend low. Flower blue you look more same planty. Flower too much, now you need the extra leaf conceal to make him look full or kind of same. Like the fuller look, make it 1 vine and just all get the leaves. Okay, so I'm finished now when we making basket baby. Now basket there, you see 1 brown. But you see same hook you make him leaf lem, yeah? Okay, so now you may move all the flower pot. Now you see brown rock blue, yeah? And tailor larem osem sampla 7 centimeters. Now you make a magic ring. Then chain 1. Now lo make a flower pot there, but you use half a double crochet stitches. Suppose you use single crochet, you can use a single crochet. Double crochet, I think I'm big plateau, so you make a flower pot blue and banana. Look alright, but I'm stop yet. You can still try. But by me making one time half a double crochet stitches. So lo make half a double crochet, put the hook blue rope, pull him, go inside the magic ring, round and pull him come on top. But you got triple loop until the hook, but you round the hook, the rope, now pull him through the slow, that triple one time. So I'm first half a double crochet now. But you make him total of 10 plus half a double crochet, go inside the magic ring, yeah. So 1 plus stop, yeah, but you need him 9 plus more. So 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, so after you make your 10th blah half a double crochet stitch blir ju, och you slip stitch conceal first blah half a double you make here. Then slip stitch conceal hem tingem start chain en något. Make sure you no slip stitch la chain. Now, by slip stitch that's all. By slip stitch that's all na. This la end tail the magic ring you na pull him na. Close him off this la second yeah. And by you let him stop. Then continue. Chain 1. Go back and the same have you slip stitch here, but you make him 2 plus half a double crochet conceal them. So 1, go back and the same half, make it second. Go to the next stitch, one kind. 2 plus half a double crochet, but you make him this last stitch. So pattern go round 3 now. Sorry, round 2. And by making 2 plus half a double conceal over the stitch. So round 1 you start 10 plus stitches here. Now round 2 you making 2 plus go. Each stitch round remember you should get 20 plus stitches end round. So continue until this long. Kami bungi yellow end. Okay, so last stitch me. Slip stitch conceal the first stitch you make it after the last layer. Chain in 1. Make it 1 plus half a double conceal the same stitch you slip stitch layer me. Then go to the next stitch here by making 2 plus half a double crochet conceal the same plus stitch. So 1, go back in the same stitch, make a second one. Then next lamp 1 plus single half a double crochet stitch. Next lamp 2 plus half a double crochet the same stitch. So 1, 2, the same half. So in pattern go round 3 now. By you making 1 plus single half a double crochet, 1 plus stitch. Then next line by making 2 plus half a double crochet, the same plus stitch. So continue until this line by bringing your end around. Okay, and last plus stitch for me. Slip stitch conceal first plus half a double you make him. Wait, I'm going to chain 1 space. Thing him. So chain 1 yeah, you make him stop yeah. I'm gonna count as a stitch, so make sure you know. Slip stitch conceal chain 1. So you slip stitch chain 1 and round 4 now where you start him 1 plus half a double crochet the same stitch. You slip stitch him. Then 1 plus half a double crochet the next stitch. Now next stitch yeah, by making 2 plus half a double crochet the same plus stitch. So 1, go back in the same half, make a second one. The next 1 not 2 stitches yeah, by making 1 plus half a double crochet that's all. So and 1 plus here, next one 1 plus that's all. And the next one now and 2 plus half a double the same stitch here. So in pattern blow round 4. Right? No? Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Round 4. We're making 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Also not rounding. So continue until this pattern. But we bring yellow end. slip stitch conceal first stitch le finish round, chain 1. Okay, before let me continue we measure na you can look here. So right now size blue about close to 10 centimeter. 9.9 or 9.8 centimeter right now, so I'm almost 10 centimeter. So suppose you make him na you measure him come. Now you looking at some big pla enough size blue flower blue. You stop with this lah because by you building basket you come on top with this lah size. Suppose you feel some big pla wide enough, you stop with this lah size. Suppose I'm not wide enough, and by you adding sampla more. So I talk about so this line big pla enough, but me make him plenty flowers, so me need him big pla basket. So me make a basket blue me finish here. Me need him. I'm the big pla go on top there. So we make a sample more extra round, but I'm just the toksave or the suppose you making come with this round. Now I'm big plain enough size blue you, size blue flower blue, you feel most you can stop him with this round. Now cut him off properly. So we make him 2 pla more round. Now we cut him off because basket blue me and big pla. Okay, so first stitch you slip stitch let me make it 1 pla, half a double one side. Then next 2 pla stitches too, but you make him 1 pla single, half a double crochet one side all. 1 and then 1. Now next one now we make him 2 pla one side low, plus single stitch here. So 1 pla half a double crochet, then another pla one side. So in pattern round 5 now we make us 1 pla half a double crochet low, 3 pla stitches, and then fourth one let me we make him double 2 pla one side. Then repeat him 1 pla half a double crochet low, 3 pla, and then fourth there we make him 2 pla half a double one side same pla stitch. So continue on this pattern. Suppose you need to increase him size blue basket blue na bawi bungi lo end blow round. Okay, now this round you start on the 1 pla half a double crochet, the same pla stitch. Now this time by making 1 pla half a double crochet, 4 pla stitches. So I'm 1 pla start finish by making 1 pla next 3 pla stitches here. 1, 2, 3. So total and 4 pla stitches, and you make him 1 pla half a double crochet. The next one by making 2 pla one side the same stitch, 2 pla half a double crochet. So 1, go back in the same half, make a second one. Now you repeat him 1 pla half a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 pla stitches. Now 2 pla half a double crochet, the 5th stitch here. So continue on to this pattern. But me bring you the end. I think I'm last around now, but me cut him off. So stitch the first plus stitch, chain 1, I cut it off you. Displa magic ring I'm still open yet stop. You mean close him. Okay, so second pla brown here. And by you making basket blue one them. Now me making basket blue me finish so by me explaining one something you need him. By need him. Lo make him use him this la extra piece me make him finish here. By look him. So suppose you know okay so isla come up with ground blue flower pot there and then flower pot blue but you make him the second brown color yeah. So me make him basket blue me finish so flower pot yeah. Now by me explaining tasol lo one something me make him yeah. So by you make him starting base blame yeah. By you make him same exact thing also you may make him here yeah. Same number of stitches you starting on 10 and then round 2 you make it tupla round 3 you go 2 1 2 1 then round 4 2 1 1 2 1 1 or something yeah. Same kind something you make him it's like ground yeah, but you make him start him base blow flower pot blue yeah. One kind of same. So that time you finish him flower pot, time you finish him flower pot become on top. But you can put him this ground yeah on top na sama him. So what me say example yeah, I'm say that you make him basket blue. Let's say this same one kind of same base blow basket yeah. So ground you make him and by you not pass him inside the magic ring yeah. By you open stuff now by you cut him off tail the rope name open some stuff now. By you make him basket blue or flower pot blue. So flower pot na you make him this layer. Ring blame and by you close him off. So that then come up extra flower pot but a hole. So you by make him one kind me talking I must stitches you make him this like come but you make him the flower pot blue the base blame and then last after or last round now but you make him all stitches blue go back loop that's all. So by me link him how we make a basket there but me link him on top of here you can go watch him pattern or way to make him basket there but all number of stitches yeah me talk about you using this lalo make him. So once you make your base blame which is supposed to be exactly like this let me show you example also me use him this supposed to make him real one and but same plus size as this yeah. But because we make him finish and by me show him so once you make him this base blame one can also this yeah finish. So if I look him after you slip stitch the last plus stitch blue go inside the first plus stitch. Now you chain one. Okay, but you make it one plus half a double go inside the same plus stitch. Let's start them off because I'm got around ourselves. And then next all stitches round him here. But you make your stitches blue go inside the back loop only. So you say stitch blue here. And one plus stitch. And one plus stitch. And one stitch go so this in front. Not this in back side. So back side there. And by you make your stitches blue go inside normal way block on set by you make a stitch through the two flower side one time, no, but you go to back side that's also the back loop only. So go to next stitch now, you make him also. Make a half a double crochet blue, go to the back side loop, that's all. By you round him. All got the stitches there, by you make us no increases this time, but you don't make him half a double crochet loop. Any stitch, but you just make it one pla, all got the stitch round him. But you don't have one set loose. Normal way to make a stitch here, make a finish, but you go to the back side, that's all. So me give example kam. Suppose this la one kind explanation also me talk here. You plan to understand him. Lo make a basket. Comment na toksave na toko. Minute lo. Make one pla basket tutorial na yula. Save you comment na you toksave. But otherwise me making tutorial finish lo basket and stuff. So me link him on top. Nah. You can go watch him. Sila basket me make a tutorial him. Size them click so. Me talk but you make him instead of using sizeless la basket but you use this la. You will make him here, yeah? And then time to build him a basket or flower pot come on top, yeah? And by you looking how we make this video, now we make it one kind. So now we say him because we make him basket bloom finish. So me talk suppose you plan understand this la explanation now so me talk, yeah? Now you like him me make one plan. Tutorial blame yet. Do this la flower pot, you talk, comment, toksave so by me making it. So by you make him also round him come and then tie you slip stitch the first plus stitch na join him. Next round now. And by you make him normal. One plus half a double crochet, go and each stitch round him normal way, you know, go back loop only. So me finish him this layer off camera, and me come again, so you plan something with him, and then by me continue. Last one. Then slip stitch, go and first stitch. Chain one, make one plus half a double, same plus half you slip stitch layer, same plus stitch, then one half a double crochet, lo one stitch round him. So no increases or when you're not making two pla or any stitch, just one single half a double crochet lo each stitch round him. Then you make him round him come lo emblem last plus stitch. You join him one the slip stitch, making one plus half a double crochet lo same plus stitch. Then by repeating one. Can inside so time you build him also making also come by making for 8 rounds or 6 or 7 and depend lo size below basket or flower pot you like him. You make him come on top at least you make him 6 rounds. Now you look him high or big play enough, you stop him. Suppose I'm not enough, you keep adding. So me make him come on top, me make him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds and come on top. So you increase number of rounds you come on top. And now I'm build him this la wall here. Come on top. So me talk finish watch him this la tutorial blue basket me make him, yeah. Now by using same way lo make a basket blue. So ground you making lo one plus brown. Now this la basket by making lo second plus brown. Second plus color blue, brown color, yeah. So once you make him count up 8 plan, okay, and time limit lo put him all together. So me rouse him this layer go left side. Now by me continue one them. Flower blue me you. Me listening to lo mentioning was until you make him this la ground, yeah, and by you cut him off rope. But you make him basket blue, yeah. Or flower pot, you make him come last stitch, finish him now. You make him chain one, a lot of rope stop, not can cut him. Rope, yeah, a lot of him still attached because by you still use him now. Some of him flower blue go down. So me talk finish, suppose you need a meal make him actual tutorial with this like can. You know, because you want something me explain him now, eh? Comment na toksave. Okay, so once you make him this la brown basket, ground. So you want something we made him, so this la basket stop, yeah. Now this la ground, yeah, and basta stop inside. So Lara mo say put it aside now. Okay, you so got the flower blue you make him, yeah. How much flower got ya? You sim all entail blame, yeah. We talk him 7 or 10 centimeters. Now you cut him off, yeah. iholi mo kata lo dislahap bungin. So we make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We make it 7 pla. 6 pla got flower na 1 pla mi toke ogata lift asol mi make it. So yksi disla ogata entelia. You round him lo. Han. Bungin mo sem now. Yksi ground blue ya. And good plus side blame na and back side blame ya. So from good plus side you put him through, come outside lo. Inside part blame or back side blame. Awesome. Now once you put him this logo the end tail through them now, okay, you can pull him end tail, blow magic ring, blow ground in, close him off. So before we continue, me slip stitch him past them. So you put him over the throw come on top now. And front back side em should look awesome. Front em should look awesome. So make sure over the tail you pull him go side over the end blame. There. That's better. Hold him one end tail now pull him so. And back and pass good. The opposite side. Okay, once you make awesome now. Thread him off na height him dislaya past them. But continue. So round him. Height him off this tail. No can be silo cut him because I'm height in set too so. Okay, this look at the tail, but you tight one plan not lol. Now one plan enough, or you can make a second knot. Just low. And force him to make him stand strong. Not gonna be see how you tighten too because I'm stuck inside the flower pot in a height so. Now once I'm height, once I'm tight. Now okay, but you sum up in this la. Graun ya, gontalo flower play. So now this la mattress me okay, you flex him the pillow or cushion or asim ya. And by you use him now. Suppose you know a fiber feel. So make a fiber feel, me put the fiber feel me on set. So let me put the fiber feel. You know a fiber feel, let me talk. You put the mattress. You wash him good and finish, you put him one side. Okay, so you can put him on side na sama him or put him on side na isama him past him. Come na last amas plus stitches opening stop them. Okay, you put him on side because I'm by the you hold him. Okay, so by me sama him flower blooming on top of flower pot. There we go. Now, this la rope lo flower pot when we talking on cut him off here. But you put the hook blue, same hook you make him basket them, yeah. Or leaf na ground blue, yeah. You see? So starting one down the chain one. Now you see ground blue, yeah. This la flower blue you attach him with na pass him, yeah. You put him on top of this la flower pot, yeah. Picking one plus stitch, any stitch, because you make one kind size of this la base blow flower pot, yeah. What a stitch bagat partner blow because same number now what but line up. Alright, so you pick one plus any stitch. Now we make one plus single crochet from flower pot through the ground blue. So you put the hook through the stitch, you make a slip stitch like me. The flower pot blue, then through the one plus stitch the ground. So mi toke since same number of stitches lo here na here and bawa the stitch ba line up after you attach him first the stitch blue. So make a single crochet. Now we make a single crochet lo one stitch round him through the side blue flower pot you put the hook blue then come outside lo ground. Then make a single crochet. Then go to the next one kind put the hook through lo 1 plus stitch lo side blue flower pot. Come outside lo next stitch lo ground here. Make 1 plus single crochet. So make sure you're not skipping many stitches. You just make it 1 plus 1 plus single crochet go come. So through here come outside lap. Then go to the next one, make it one kind. Put the hook through the flower pot, through the ground, round the rope, pull him through the tupla come outside lo. Opposite side blue ground, wish. Pull him come inside, then make him single crochet. Go to the next one, repeat. So and by continue making round him this the whole flower pot blue yeah, come towards the end now. Let's say kind of same 20 plus stitches stop before you finish him. So around here and about. You stop him now. Okay, by putting fiber fill or mitoke mattress you got by putting one set before you sum up him na passing. No increases, just 1 single crochet on each stitch. So continue until this round him, never me bring it towards the end blow round. Never me fill him up. Flower pot me and then close him together. Okay, so we make him come now, make at last 8 plus stitches stop. But we make him the finishing, so now we can put the fiber fill now. Pull in this layer long plan, now put the hook blue go down. Now you fill him up flower pot you want them. Mattress blue. So we must put him, pull up him number tight. So that shape blue him come up. And make him shape this the flower pot there. Come up less clear. You need to put the finger blue one side, push him, go to side. Or the corner blame yeah. And I fill him up. Make sure go sit down good now, but tight. I think I need a little bit more. Single corner. Okay. Now you can sum up him off. Last remaining stitches. Last one fla. And slip stitch conceal the first plus stitch mekim. Chain 1. Now last round and by making 1 plus half a double crochet conceal each stitch. Just so that flower pot blue and long flower sim ground. So make it 1 half a double crochet each stitch round him. No increase. 1. So continue 1/2 a double crochet lo each round. Round yung ugatan na kan pamibungi yung lo. Close to the end blem na ba yung finish him. Okay, so yung last stitch. Wait, stitch kung sa first stitch. Chain 1, cut it off please. And then you can just hide them, go back and insert the flower. Maybe we should go back and insert it here, okay. Go back and insert there, goodness. Okay. There we go. So we hide them inside. Now we'll make a string blem yeah, easy. One shawl but you can make him. You can white properly you. Make him slip knot. But me use him like size hook to make him. So same like hook me use him to make a flower yeah. You pick your 1 plus stitch, any stitch, put the hook glue inside and make him. Slip knot. Attach him now. Okay, where you chain him? Depend on you. So starting on the 15 plus chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 can. You starting on them, let's say 25. No? Let's say 35. So 15 yeah. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 35. So you feel also 35 long play enough, you can chaining 1 ply extra. The slip stitch can go back in or single crochet, whichever. For me slip stitch. Suppose if you almost 35 long ply, so perhaps you can add more on top. 50 or 60 hamas lo. Chain if you almost length you hang up in flower bean and look right lively you chain one time na make it. Actually when we make a single crochet because this line take time. So chain 1 ply extra, you skip in first the chain here. Go to second chain, make you 1 single crochet. Go to next chain, single crochet. So 35 plus 1 ply extra chain you make it. A single crochet can run 10, but you got 35 plus single crochet. That's how chain you make it. So continue making single crochet come down, but we bring you the end. Okay, and last single crochet. Now by you single crochet, go back in the same lahap you slip stitch now. Attach some color blue yeah. By you make it 1 plus single crochet, go inside this lahap. Then chain 1, cut it off blue. Now we repeat them same plus something can. So suppose you like him 4 pla. all this la rope here. Lo staplo 4 pla corner below flower pot. You make it 4 pla. Or suppose you like it 3 pla as well, you make it 1, 2, not 3. So depend on one style you like him. You like him 4 pla or 3 pla. This time this la flower pot, then we make him 4 pla. So I think, let me see. I think this time I'm making 3 pla. So 1 pla here, dividing by 3 pla corner. So I'm stapler here, but next one we'll make it here. Another pla we'll make it half. So one kind something you attach him properly. You want the slip knot. This is then chain him 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And you skipping first pla chain, go to the second pla chain, make a single crochet. So put the hook between the chain here, grab him rope, pull him coming up. You got 2 pla loop here. Round your rope the hook, pull him through the 2 pla wantem. Then go to the next chain, put the hook through, round him rope the hook, pull him come inside. You got 2 pla stop here, round him, pull him through the 2 pla wantem. So I'm single crochet and you continue come down. Come down over the last chain and then make him single crochet, go back in the same half. You slip stitch one side lemon. So when we continue, make him this off camera. Then narapla third one blue because me make it 3 pla. Suppose you make it 4 pla, you can make it 4 pla. And then when we come back and bunging you after let me make it this the last one blue let's side. Okay, so we make him 3 pla. String blue me finish now. Last for something and by you join him over the 3 pla. So make you a slip knot. Him all string blue you make him here. Put him over the wantem and blame here. Put the hook blue through the 1 pla past them. Then continue the next one. Then continue the next one. Now you put the slip knot blue here on top. Pull him through log at the wantem. Then chain him 1. Take the rope here. Tighten on top. Rope you walk here wantem past them before you continue just look. Secure him. So I'm gonna make 2 pla knot. Now let's say you chain him 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so once you're making 15 pla chain now, you put the hook blue over can or got a triple chain. Or suppose you make a 4 pla, or got a 4 pla. So you put your through 1 pla, through another pla, through another pla. Now, when you make a 1 pla slip stitch. Pull in, and by you struggle lightly going but tight to the slap, but take your time leave and make it. So once you pull in through coming shot, pull in through the slip or stitch the hook here, and you'll make a slip stitch for you. There we go. Chain in 1. Now this is 15 pla you make it here. Now we make a slip stitch concept again. 1, oops, 2, 3, then after the last slip stitch blue, we go back and end or starting blue where you make him change comment up here. Make him slip stitch concept can the same up. Or suppose you don't have any same spot, just make it 1 slip stitch next length. Chain 1, cut the rope blue. So this length, let me tight them. So now you can thread him in this length. All remaining tails. The 2 and tail, you thread him can concept. Thread him can concept whichever string you put him, you put him. Put it up the same up. My goodness, this let me cut this out too much. Do not do this. Suppose you make it and you cut in. Make it slip not doing the left shot too much. Rouse him can make it at least long by silly. We cut this out too much, let's Mr. Agosta. Okay, there we go. Now two. We try them to plant the same up. So go back in. Inside. One side finish. Whatever excess one, you cut him off. So I'm sorry, look, also you got that string blue, yeah? We make it triple step, yeah? And then you got this little loop on top, yeah? And you put the hook on him, hang him up, yeah? Flower blue. But otherwise, I'm plant blue and complete. And on top, let me look also side. But we go hang him up in. People are looking good. I'm stuck on the desk, people are looking good. Oh, so this is all tupla and tail string blue, yeah? You can thread him in or what? What we make him by the style of tupla. Now let him hang him up with a style string. And here. And here. Sapos sila lo dislapan, you can just thread them in kamantakan lo string beliau ya. Now cutting off whatever excess rope stuff is clear. Okay, sampla beliau and finish now. Pagnan ka mapun look him. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Suppose you understand him tutorial and easy you follow him na make one flower beliau too. Don't forget lo liking video beliau me, share him, subscribe. Nah, pamilog kayo pala next video. Suppose you got any questions, comment na askim, or you need more explanation or any part, comment to na toksave na pami reply layo. Otherwise, that's it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. We go hanggang Displa na looking good.